What goes in this bowl here? This looks like sugar.
Yeah, you could do that.
Put this in here.
Pretty much everything here that in little bowls, you put it in the big bowl.
bowls.
And then you like stir it up.
Okay.
You got the whole staff back here preparing bowls for us. It's a terrific kitchen, by the way.
It is, isn't it lovely?
Very
Yes, and you have
clean.
many fans in our kitchen.
They're good chefs in there.
Very good chefs. So we have some sugar.
Yeah.
Some applesauce.
Yeah, applesauce. Isn't that the nice touch?
I love applesauce. A nice touch.
Yeah.
And
It
some
makes
light
nice
brown
voice.
sugar.
Brown sugar, yeah.
And vanilla extract.
Oh, smell
Yum.
that.
Should I mix this together now?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
You show.
It's going really well so far.
Yeah, me see mixer.
Can I put these things in the bowl
We
for
got
you?
to stop looking at mixer.
Oh, you're gonna get sick. You're gonna
It's
get
not good
sick.
for Cookie Monster. Oh, me googly eyes going crazy. Help. Me got to note to self. No look at mixer.
Here, I'm shielding you. Okay, I'm gonna mix the flour
Okay.
and some salt.
Sure.
Yes. And some baking powder, it looks
Yeah.
like. Yeah, okay. Should we mix this together?
Yeah, go ahead. That's the
Okay,
whisk.
I'll do it.
That's called a whisk.
Yeah.
For those of you taking notes.
This one I know. This one I know. The whisk I know. Okay, good. Do I add this to this?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, why
Drop
not?
it in there.
Look at me, Mom. I'm baking.
Whisk, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. You
Now
do
we're doing it.
terrific.
Put the chips in.
Oh, chippies.
Chippies.
Chippies. Wait, don't put them all in. You put them all in?
I did. I'm sorry. Was I not supposed to?
Well,
do
me
that?
was hoping there's an extra one that we could just nibble on while we wait.
Is there a cookie? Have you ever met one cookie that you didn't like?
No,
No, never.
no, me love all cookies.
I love all cookies too.
Yeah.
So we have.
Where'd you go?
I'm just coming back here to show them. Then you take a scoop,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, scoop.
And you scoop the cookies onto the baking sheet.
Yeah.
Did I do a good job here? Not that I had anything to do with it.
Yeah,
I'll put these.
Yeah,
Can I put these in the oven?
yeah, toss them in the oven.
Okay, going to toss in the oven.
Boy, wait till you smell this. You guys gonna love this. Me hope we have enough for whole studio audience.
I hope so too.
Cause you know, they terrific.
Well, that depends on how many you leave for them cookies.
Oh.